Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can check updates on Zoom and how you can update your Zoom app. Select your Zoom workplace and select your profile picture. Then select the check for updates here, and it's going to instantly update it for you. So I have the 6.1.10 version. Wait, I have the 11 one, so the new one is that. Then I'm just going to select install, and it's going to install the new update here. I'm not going to wait until the update is finished though, because I feel like it will, I don't know, actually it's not going to take a long time, never mind. But that is how you can update your app, your Zoom Workplace app. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!